In this video, I'm going to show you how to kick, round kick, like an action star. So let's take a look at the basics, okay? Because a lot of this is going to be basically your footing. All right, so let's take a look. Watch how my foot placement is, okay? The one thing in this, I'm going to show you my way. Everybody has their way. Let's take a look. So the biggest thing about the round kick, okay, is you don't want to go like this. This right here. What's this? Are you seeing what's going on? Where's my foot? I'm not getting that rotation, okay? You want the rotation with this. You want the hips, you want the foot fully turned. So if I'm gonna do a round kick and I wanna get the maximum power, I'm gonna, see where that end is? That end point? That's how you're gonna get the maximum power. You can go high, okay? You're gonna hit more towards the gut here. Okay, you just wanna get that turn. And then you can also go low, bam. Okay? Hit the top of the leg, hit the gut, hit the face. So remember, anytime you're doing this, you just want to practice that. Get your momentum, get your hips turning. You could be back in here, boom, boom, come around. Hey, just get that, make sure your hips are turning. Now, I'm going to show you how to jump with it. So this is the action star vibe. Jean-Claude Van Damme does a great kick like this. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So, this is a fun one. I could do it on my speed bag. Right? That's a cool kick. I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's the same thing, but you're putting a jump and you're putting your hips into it and you're doing a spin. Okay? So you're back here, boom. You want to push all your momentum into that. Here, boom. Are you seeing that? So with these round kicks, it's all about the momentum you put into it. It's all about putting your hips into it. It's all about turning that body and getting your body weight into it. Okay? So when you're turning that, you're going to get the most maximum hit, you're going to get the most force, and you're going to generate the most power. Okay? So remember, boom. And then with the jump, it's going to be like so. You can bounce a little bit. But remember, you want to plant because you want to be careful. Because if your opponent sees you putting all your weight on one leg, they can easily just pop that out or whatever. Or on your back leg, boom. How do you want to fight it? And if I was going to do here, pretend this is a head. Put all my momentum into it. Right? So if I'm here, boom, boom, boom. Just like that. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you want to see me in action, click right here. If you want to watch another video like this, click right here, subscribe. And if you just want to watch some TV or film, click right here.